Hi there, this is Mrs. Obach, and today I wanted to show you how you can create a holiday card with Canva. Canva is a tool I use lots for digital design. It's great for posters, cards, images to share on social media, and more. So if you don't have an account yet, you can go to canva.com and hit the sign up button and sign up with Google or sign up with email. It does ask you if you're a student or a teacher, so you can also check that off when you get to that stage. Once you're logged in, the home screen looks like this. So because we're making a holiday card today, I'm going to see if they have some templates that I like to begin with. I can also start from blank if I prefer. Here are their holiday card templates that are already designed that I can choose from if I see something I like. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this template. It will create it for me. And up at the top right, I'm going to give this a name. And then I'm going to start editing. So if I click on the background, I can change the background color. It's a bit bright, so I think I'm going to use the undo button, start with green. Here, there's a spot holding for an image. So I can choose from stock photos that they provide for free for me to use, or I can upload my own picture. So here's one that I'm going to use today. Here there's a text box, so I can change what I have it saying. And I'm also going to add a little message with this. So along the left-hand side, you'll see the toolbar, photos, elements, if I need shapes, text for a text box. So I will put my message. And sign it. Now you can see my text doesn't really fit here. So I am going to select it, and up at the top, I can change the size or the color. And then I can drag it to a spot where it fits. I can keep editing this until I'm totally happy with it. And then when I'm finished, you'll notice it says all changes saved, so my project is saved. I can hit the download button to save it to my computer. And then that will put it in my downloads folder so that I can share it from there. Or I can also hit the share link and add in an address to share it with someone else. I hope you have fun making your holiday cards.